Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a MetaMask wallet, what is the technology behind it, and how to secure your wallet and adding a Binance Smart Chain inside your wallet. We will also see how we can use MetaMask to buy our first NFT. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel, share it. I've also created video on how you can use a bot to do forex trading on your behalf. So let's get started. This is the website called as metamask.io where you can download this wallet. So let me give you a brief history about what this wallet is. So MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet which is used to interact with Ethereum blockchain. You can also add an extension for Binance Smart Chain, and on any Binance Smart Chain you can exchange your tokens, send or receive, or you can even buy NFTs. So MetaMask allows user to access their Ethereum wallet through a browser extension or mobile app. You can download mobile app from your Play Store or Apple Store, and then that application or that particular wallet can be used to interact with decentralized applications. So MetaMask was developed by a company called as Consensus, and it's a blockchain software company. It's mostly focused on Ethereum based tools. So the main aim of this MetaMask wallet is to buy, store, send and swap tokens. So it is, as I said, like it is available in a browser extension and as a mobile app. So MetaMask equips you with a e-wallet, and so you will get a secure key or a key phrase which you have to store somewhere. So let's say if you have lost your wallet, or maybe you have changed your mobile, so you need to memorize that particular key, or you need to write it somewhere. It can also give you a exchange key where you can use the same key to transfer your wallet and whatever you have on your digital assets. So everything you have stored, it's better you store them, let's say, on a piece of paper. Don't send your key phrase to anyone on your Gmail or WhatsApp or any social media application to anyone, because there have been a lot of recent attempts where people have lost their millions of dollars or thousands of dollars in a second because somebody has got access on their PCs or somehow they have hacked their emails. Another important thing which I wanted to highlight you with you guys is never ever use your corporate laptops to do crypto trading, because most of the IT companies, they have full access in the backend to your browser and they manage your browser extensions. This can easily lead them to access your MetaMask extension and they can transfer all of your assets. So this thing has happened to a couple of my friends recently, and in the end, the solution for this one was I requested my friends to use their personal computer, change the browser, and things worked very smoothly from last like maybe 4 to 5 months. But they had hacking attempts every week, and one of my friend, he lost around $6,000 in a single day, and he was very depressed. So MetaMask allows users to store and manage account keys, broadcast transaction, send and receive cryptocurrency and tokens in a decentralized application. And as per the research from Bloomberg, so MetaMask has around 21 million monthly active users. So you can see how this particular wallet is basically getting increasing. So let's see the step-by-step tutorial. So how you can use this particular wallet, and then we will see how we can buy the NFT on this particular one. So you just need to open the website. I'll leave the link in the description. So just click on download now, and it will give you three options. So the guys who are using Windows can select the Chrome option. For iOS or Android, for Android, as I said, directly go to Play Store, download it. So install MetaMask for Chrome. So once you will reach this particular tab, so you can click on add to Chrome, add extension. So we will just wait for the extension to load, and it has been successfully added. So let's go here and we will activate this particular extension. So okay, so the moment you will activate, so it will ask you to get started, so you can click on get started. So there are two options. As I said, if you already have a secret recovery phrase, you can use the same one to recover your wallet. But since we are going for the new account, so we will create a wallet. Okay, see the disclaimer. So it's saying always allow you to opt out via settings, send anonymized, click and view page events. Never collect keys, transaction balances, hash, or any personal information. Never collect your full IP address. Never sell data for profit. So this is their disclaimer how they are using the technology. So we will click on I agree. So this password is basically for your daily use. Remember, it's not a secret phrase. It's just a login password like for any of your account. So I'll just select a random password for now, and you will click on I have read and agree the terms of use. Click here, and that's it. So they will give you a short introduction of how you can secure the video. So let's go through the video very quickly.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
Okay, so here is the basic intro of the video. So I got one of my friend, and he shared a very funny comment. Said, should I share my secret key with my wife? I said yes, you can, in case you are dying soon, because again you don't know what she will do with your assets, and that's how you need to find a trustworthy person with whom you can share the key. So let's click on next. And okay, so here is the tricky part. You need to click here to reveal your key. So it will give you like I think 12 digits key. I'm gonna hide it because since it's my key, you can download your key, or you can just click download this secret key. So it will give you a key in the form of a notepad or any other file, and you can store it. As I said, write it, don't copy paste or send it to anyone. Just click next. And since I have already stored my key, now it's asking me to arrange the letters. So you remember, you have to write all of the letters somewhere safe, and then you can use it. So I'm going to arrange the pattern as Chrome is asking me to. So let's go one by one. So that's the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and so let's see the 11th one. Okay, so it's asking me to reveal the secret phrase, so I'll just copy it somewhere safe, and then the moment I'll click next, it will ask me to rearrange it. So let's go letter by letter. So first letter, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. So as you can see, the moment you will arrange your letters, so it will detect that, okay, the secret phrase is fine. So you just need to click on confirm, and it will say congratulations, you have passed the test. So once you will click all done, so it will be done. So now as you can see, this particular wallet is in Ethereum mainnet. So we will add the Binance part. So let's add, so you just need to click here, add a network. So what we are going to add is Binance Smart Chain. So we will just type the name Binance Smart Chain, and we will get some details from online. So let me show you that particular URL. Okay, so that will be our URL for MetaMask, and chain ID will be 56, and symbol you will just put BNB because that is their main currency, and this URL is basically BS scan. So BSC scan is the one where you can scan transactions for Binance. So we will click save, and as you can see, so now we have two chains here. So one is Ethereum mainnet, one is Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so now the next step is we will see how you can use this particular wallet to connect to any of the NFT sites and how you can purchase your NFT. So the first step which you need to do is, let's say you have BNB coin from Binance or any other wallet. So you need to click buy. So it will ask continue or deposit the directly deposit BNB. So we will click on view account. So this is your key which you need to put on your Binance wallet or Binance application or any other wallet which you are using. Remember, your trust chain or smart chain name or method should be BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. And you can scan your account on BSC scan also. So that's your account. So the moment you will do any transaction, so it will automatically show here. You can trace where that transaction has went or where it is currently going. So once this part is done, so let's click on extensions, and we will copy this extension so that we can see it on the main page. So MetaMask is here, so we will just pin it. So let's take a look into the couple of websites. So the first one which I'm going to look is Polka City. So let's open this particular website, and if we want to buy any of the asset, we will click on marketplace. So this website is asking me to connect my wallet to Polka City. So we will click on next. So it will say connect to this particular account. This is the BSC address for Polka City website. So you will click connect, and as you can see, now my wallet is connected. So I should have BNB to buy this particular like asset. You can use Ethereum marketplace also. So just go back, and if you have Ethereum, you just need to click here on Ethereum mainnet, and that's it. Your wallet is already connected. So let's look into a very small asset. So let's talk about this particular camera. So let's click it, and The moment I'll click on buy, okay, let me refresh the page. Yeah. So the moment you will click on buy, it will say new address is detected. Click here to add address. Turn on enhanced gas fee. No, you don't need to add it. Just allow them only the gas fee which they wanted. So now it's asking me that that particular asset is basically for $40.91, which is 0.01 Ethereum. Currently, I don't have any Ethereum, but once you will add Ethereum, and then you can just click on confirm, and that will automatically do the purchase, and your asset will be automatically stored in this particular wallet. So this is the first step. Let's go back. For now, we will reject the transaction, and it says like transaction has failed. Now, how we can secure our wallet is, always remember, so once we go back on the main page, we will close this website. Let's go to another one. There is one called as the neighbors NFT. So if we open that particular website and we will click on buy now and connect wallet. So it's again asking me to connect my wallet. So I have rejected all of those transactions which were there. So let's go back to Binance Smart Chain. And okay, how you can secure your wallet is, always remember, whenever you are done with any of the transaction, remember to click on these three dots, click on connected sites. As you can see, my wallet is still connected to Polka City. Since my job is already done, it's always safe to disconnect it. I will just disconnect it. Now I will refresh this particular page and I will click on connect wallet. So it says connect with MetaMask. So this is the website, same process. I will connect it. As you can see, my wallet has been connected successfully. You can refresh the page one more time, or sometime it takes time, and then you can go on buy properties. Yeah, so see, the wallet is connected now with this smart chain, and these are like couple of properties. You can go and buy any of them, and just make sure you have enough balance in your wallet. And always disconnect your website. So first you need to disconnect from here, and then make sure you click on your wallet and click on connected site, and always disconnect it. So this is a tutorial like how you can make your MetaMask wallet, import your coins, or how you can transfer your coins whenever you want to send any of your coin to another address. So always remember, it has to be BSC. So just click send. It will ask you to put address of that particular person or that particular wallet. Just paste it and just click on send. It will charge you, I think, maybe 0.01% of BNB, which has to be in your account, which is called as gas fee, and then the transaction will be done immediately. So thank you watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.